Hello, this is Marty Dickinson with MotivationalSpeakersWorldwide.com, and I'd like to give you yet another way to increase your web presence using your posting and also build some credibility for your speaking business at the same time, and that is to install our brand new badge on your website, MotivationalSpeakersWorldwide.com, around the outside, and it showcases that you are a member of our system. So use that just like a company would that is a part of the Better Business Bureau, and post that on your website. You can put it on your business cards, you can put it on your letterhead and your brochures, but most importantly, make sure to put it on your website and also Facebook and Google Plus and Twitter, and just make it part of those profiles where you have those profiles online. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is actually on a page on my HereNextYear.com main company website. But what I had Sue do is I had her send an email to you announcing these videos and also this badge. And what we've done is I have 2 lines of code here, and the first one is for your actual profile. So I just kind of copied and pasted mine, but it says here motivationalspeakersworldwide.com/webmarketing speaker Marty Dickinson. So the first thing you have to do is verify that Sue got the URL right for you. So you'll want to go to your profile, and in this case I'm going to go to Carl Mecklenburg's page here, and you're going to copy your entire URL and then right click on your mouse, and that'll get you to the copy point. And then I'm going to go back to there, and then I'm going to take this whole thing and I'm going to swap it out. So right at the beginning, I'm going to highlight this whole thing, and right up to that quote mark, and I'm going to right click on that blue, and then I'm going to click paste, and it's going to change that whole thing. Now notice I have a space between there, so we want to clean that up and get the space out. We've got a quote mark at the end and a quote mark at the end. Now, I'm teaching you a little bit of HTML here, right? So the second line I can leave exactly as is, because that is the path to the graphic itself. Now we have a medium-sized graphic. We also have a large and a small. The same thing, but it's just one is larger, one is smaller. The large is just LARGE. I can take that out, and the small is SMALL, and you can change those as you want. I think probably most people use the medium size. That seems to be the right fit. So then you just copy this entire thing and post that to a blog post. You can post it to your profile page, your own profile page on your own website. You can also post it into the header or footer of your website. That gets a little bit more technical. You'll have to get with your web designer guys to do that if you don't do your own web design. And if you don't have somebody for that, certainly call me, because we have a team of designers and programmers. We do all this stuff for a lot of speakers around the world, so we can certainly add a badge for you to your website. Take us about 5 minutes probably, unless you have a pretty significant design. Then we'd have to talk about where to add that. But certainly easy to do in most websites. But then if you add that in the header or the footer, then that badge will appear on every page of your website. That's the good thing. So you'd be establishing credibility no matter where somebody actually comes in through your website. So that is our new piece that we've added, is that badge. So please do use that and add a live link back to our website. That's what you're doing at the same time you have that badge, is you're adding a link to the motivationalspeakersworldwide.com website, specifically to your profile. So for those of you that already work with SEO, search engine optimization, that is called deep linking, because you're not just linking back to the home page, you're actually linking back to your profile page. So that just builds a little bit more link juice to get your your posting to come up on top of search engines when people search for it. So it all works together, and as we're all adding links and doing all this promotion with our own networks and things like that, it all works together, and that's how all these profiles are going to rise higher and higher to the top of Google and be very, very well positioned for web presence for you. So this is Marty Dickinson with Motivational Speakers Worldwide.com saying bye for now.